Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Cassandra Dana. So if it's your first time scrolling down to my channel, you are welcome. And to my old and new subscriber, I appreciate you all. Thank you so much for always tuning in my channel. So guys, in today's video, we're going to be unboxing what I purchased from Mango and Zalando. From Zalando, yeah. And the other one is from Mango. So we have a lot. So first, this one is the pants trouser. This red pants trouser, yeah. This one is from Mango. I actually purchased this one in a cheaper price. So they were making sales when I purchased this pants trouser. This one for €29.99. Price before it was €49.99. If you can see it here, that's the actual price. So they make sales and it was €29.99. So the second one from Mango is this red neck sweat top. I really like the texture of this red round neck sweat top. It's really soft, and the normal price of this one was €29.99. So they actually make a discount of €19.99. So it's worth the money. The quality is really nice. Third one from Mango is this other red top that I purchased from Mango. This red hog sweat bodies is from Mango also. I like this. I have the black one of this top sweater. The usual price was €29.99. So when they make a discount, it was €22.99. You can see it here. And also guys, I purchased this gold sandals from Mango. This gold sandals here from Mango. So the next one is from Zalando. This one here. This one is actually a sweatpants that has this button all down here. This one is from Jordan. This is the latest sweatpants from Jordan. As you can see it here, straight in Jordan here. And this is the logo. So I love this. You can style this with anything. I'll be leaving the pictures of the black one. I bought that one in Turkey. How I style the black one for you guys to understand that this pant trouser is lovely. You can rock this pant trouser with anything. I mean anything. The other one is this black leather skirts here. I got this one from Zalando. Last one is this box here is a boot. This last one here is the boot that I also got from Zalando. This one here. If you know me already, you know I love high heel. I love shoes. So I got this one for Zalando. This is really nice. I love the color, and it's really soft. So they're also making a sale when I got this one. So I'll be leaving the price and the link up so you can purchase yours. So guys, let's style this, shall we? If you've watched this video till this very end, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, press the notification bell. Each time I upload, you'll be the first person to be notified. So till we meet again in my next video, bye.